entertainment is that SBX-1 is a mobile radar system used for accurate detection of missiles or any other object in space with ballistic trajectories. But apparently the US military have mobile platforms like the SBX-1 that crosses sea distances at high speed and is fully capable of triggering earthquakes.
Sailed from Corpus Christi on 18th of November, destination to Pearl Harbor. It would be much shorter way to go through Panama Canal, but maximum canal size for the ships is 32.5 meters. So we decided to go through the Magellan Strait. Magellan Strait is 330 miles long. It has good depths, but have wild turns and strong currents. However, being between the rock islands and high mountains, it gives a good protection from the winds blowing from Antarctica. Within 31 hours, with the pilot's assistance and some luck, we crossed the Magellan Strait and entered into Pacific Ocean.
Which is based on Nikola Tesla's death ray technology, is under management of the US DoD, USAF and Navy, and uses particle injection devices developed by Raytheon, Lockheed Martin and other military contractors specialized in high-tech mass destruction.
Es un radar para que justifica que cada barco ande con el suyo, no tiene ningún sentido, claro. Es que finalmente creen esta tremenda carga de sintonía.
In the ionosphere, which the HARP was really designed to do, was to inject energy into the ionosphere to be able to actually control it. And but that work has been completed.
El HARP es uno de los varios transmisores de ondas ELF ubicados por todo el mundo. Los Estados Unidos poseen y operan 3 de ellos. Uno en Gacona, Alaska, otro en Fairbanks, Alaska, y uno en Arecibo, Puerto Rico. Rusia posee uno en Vasilsursk, cerca de Nizhny Novgorod, y la Unión Europea posee uno cerca de Tromsø, en Noruega. Trabajando en conjunto, estos transmisores podrían potencialmente alterar el clima en cualquier parte del mundo, cambiando por completo la ruta del flujo de presión e iniciando enormes tormentas o sequías.